Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful Hollywood waves with the help of tong from brand Iconic with number CT-22. This is the technique to give in the Hollywood waves. Watch full tutorial to get the idea. So let's just continue. Thank you so much everybody for watching the video till now, and subscribe our channel if our channel supports you to learn. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing.